All right, Don, let's try headlights. Let's try brights. Great. Right turn. Left turn. Perfect score. Let's move to the back. Left. Right. Reverse. It's in reverse. I don't think we have backup lights. Okay, and all your gauges were working, right? Okay, that's a nice new set of gauges.
Oil pressure. Yep.
Let's see. Okay, yeah, that's good. And your mileage is reset with the rebuild, right?
That's correct.
355. Mm-hmm. Okay, I'll come around the other side. Let's see what we got here.
I really think it's more
Oh, is it working?
on the play calling of Zach Robinson than it is on Michael Penix Jr.
Radio's working.
I think the arm talent's there. I think he's
Wipers?
smart. I think he's capable. I also think he's a legend.
Okay, okay, cool.
With little to no experience, this is all coordinator. It's still good enough.
Excellent.
And I can't
Horn?
tell you in good faith that he's
Good.
going to get the race.
Anything else we can try?
Because in fact, I believe he's not. And I think
Oh,
there's
the
no
dome lights.
sign
Are they working? Okay. Did you turn those on?
Yeah, you
Oh.
can turn them on and off in here.
Okay, so you can turn them on, but when you open the door, maybe they don't open. They go on.
Shut your door. Now let's see. Open the door. I don't know.
Well, that's all right. Okay, well, we did the main stuff. Okay, thanks, Don.